Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, Jamaica has joined countries around the world in imposing travel restrictions on passengers from 8 southern African countries due to the new variant of COVID-19, Omicron. The ban takes effect immediately. A media release today from the Ministry of Health said that the restrictions affect travelers from Namibia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, South Africa, Malawi, and Mozambique. All persons who are not citizens or permanent residents of Jamaica and have visited the listed countries in the last 14 days will not be allowed entry. Jamaican citizens and permanent residents who are returning from the banned countries will be subjected to mandatory state-supervised quarantine for 14 days. Omicron has been designated a variant of concern by the World Health Organization (WHO). Now, early evidence suggests the variant has a higher reinfection risk.